Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in English grammar second conditional sentences. But before I tell you the rule, let me ask you one simple question. Imagine you had 1 crore rupees. What would you do? Maybe you would buy a big house. Maybe you would travel around the world. Maybe you would help poor people. Think carefully. Do you really have 1 crore rupees right now? Maybe not. So, we are not talking about a real present situation. We are imagining a situation. We are talking about something that is not real now, but we are imagining its result. For example, if I had 1 crore rupees, I would buy a big house. This type of sentence is called a second conditional sentence. Today, we will learn the meaning, rule, structure, and 50 easy examples of second conditional sentences. Let's begin. First, let us understand the meaning. A second conditional sentence is used to talk about an unreal, imaginary, or unlikely situation in the present or future. It means the situation is not true now, or it is not very likely to happen. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. Am I a bird? No. Can I really fly in the sky like a bird? No. So, this is an imaginary situation. Now let us understand the basic structure. The rule is, if plus simple past tense would plus base verb. For example, if I had a car, I would drive to school. Here, if I had a car is the condition. I would drive to school is the result. Now remember one very important point. In second conditional sentences, we use the simple past tense after if. But the meaning is not always about the past. The meaning is usually about the present or future imagination. For example, if I lived in London, I would visit the museums. This does not mean I lived in London in the past. It means I do not live in London now, but I am imagining it. Now let us understand the two parts of a second conditional sentence. Part 1 is the condition. Part 2 is the imaginary result. Example, if I knew his number, I would call him. Condition, if I knew his number. Result, I would call him. It means I do not know his number now, so I cannot call him. Now look at one more example. If she studied harder, she would get better marks. Condition, if she studied harder. Result, she would get better marks. It means she does not study hard enough now. Now let us learn 50 easy examples. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Example 1. If I had more time, I would read more books. Example 2. If you studied hard, you would get good marks. Example 3. If it rained today, we would stay at home. Example 4. If he ran faster, he would win the race. Example 5. If she practiced daily, she would improve her English. Example 6. If we left now, we would reach on time. Example 7. If they invited me, I would attend the party. Example 8. If you ate healthy food, you would feel better. Example 9. If I saved more money, I would buy a new phone. Example 10. If you helped me, I would finish the work quickly. Now let us pause for a moment. In all these sentences, the condition is in the simple past tense. The result uses would plus the base verb. For example, if you helped me, I would finish the work quickly. Helped is the simple past verb. Would finish is the imaginary result. Example 11. If he studied medicine, he would become a doctor. Example 12. If she got a job, she would support her family. Example 13. If we missed the bus, we would take a taxi. Example 14. If you touch the hot pan, you would burn your hand. Example 15. If I saw Rohan, I would give him your message. Example 16. If you drank enough water, you would stay healthy. Example 17. If the teacher explained again, I would understand the lesson. Example 18. If you spoke slowly, I would understand you better. Example 19. If I finished my homework early, I would watch TV. Example 20. If we work together, we would complete the project. Now let us learn another important point. The if part can come first. When the if part comes first, we usually put a comma after it. But we can also write the result first. When the result comes first, we do not usually use a comma. Both sentences are correct. Example 21. If you came early, we would start the meeting. Example 22. If I found your book, I would return it. Example 23. If he called me, I would answer the phone. Example 24. If she cooked dinner, I would wash the dishes. Example 25. If you cleaned your room, your mother would be happy. Example 26. If we hurried, we would catch the train. Example 27. If the shop were open, I would buy some milk. Example 28. If you listen carefully, you would learn quickly. Example 29. If I got time, I would call you. Example 30. If the weather were nice, we would go outside. Now let us understand negative second conditional sentences. We can use did not in the if part, and we can use would not in the result part. For example, if you did not study, you would fail. Here, did not study is the negative condition. We can also say, if it did not rain, we would play cricket. Example 31. If you did not sleep early, you would feel tired. Example 32. If he did not practice, he would not improve. Example 33. If she did not hurry, she would miss the bus. Example 34. If we did not save money, we would not buy a house. Example 35. If they did not listen, they would make mistakes. Example 36. If you did not wear a jacket, you would feel cold. Example 37. If I did not charge my phone, it would switch off. Example 38. If he did not apologize, she would be angry. Example 39. If you did not follow the rules, you would get into trouble. Example 40. If the driver did not drive carefully, he would cause an accident. Now let us learn one more useful point. In second conditional sentences, we often use were with all subjects in formal English. For example, if I were rich, I would help many people. In daily English, some people say, if I was, but if I were is more common and more correct in formal second conditional sentences. Example 41. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Example 42. If you were my teacher, you would explain this topic clearly. Example 43. If he were more careful, he would not make so many mistakes. Example 44. If she were here, she would help us. Example 45. If we were free today, we would watch a movie. Example 46. If I learned English well, I would speak confidently. Example 47. If you made a mistake, the teacher would correct you. Example 48. If we planted more trees, the environment would improve. Example 49. If you practice speaking every day, your fluency would increase. Example 50. If you believed in yourself, you would achieve your goals. Now let us quickly revise the rules. Rule number 1. Second conditional sentences talk about unreal, imaginary, or unlikely situations in the present or future. Rule number 2. The structure is if plus simple past tense would plus base verb. Example, if you studied hard, you would pass. Rule number 3. The past tense after if does not always show past time. It often shows imagination or an unreal situation. Rule number 4. Use would with the base form of the verb. Correct? If I had money, I would buy a car. Rule number 5. In formal English, use were with all subjects in second conditional sentences. Rule number 6. If the sentence starts with if, use a comma after the condition. Example, if it rained, we would stay at home. Rule number 7. If the result comes first, we do not usually use a comma. Example, we would stay at home if it rained. Now let us practice a few sentences together. Complete the sentence. If I had more time, I would blank. Yes. If I had more time, I would study English. Next. If I were rich, I would blank. Yes. If I were rich, I would help poor people. Next. If you practiced English daily, you would blank. Yes. If you practiced English daily, you would improve. Very good. Now let us understand the difference between first conditional and second conditional in a very simple way. First conditional is used for a real future possibility. Example, if I study hard, I will pass. This means passing is possible in the future. Second conditional is used for an unreal or imaginary situation. Example, if I studied hard, I would pass. This means I am not studying hard now. So remember, first conditional is real and possible. Second conditional is unreal, imaginary, or less likely. So, dear students, today we learned second conditional sentences. We learned that they are used for imaginary, unreal, or unlikely situations. The main rule is if plus simple past would plus base verb. Now try to make 5 second conditional sentences in your notebook. Use your own ideas. For example, if I had a big house, I would invite my friends. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English. Thank you for watching.